Hey guys, welcome to B Kids. My name is Jordan and I am going to be opening my mom's Boxycharm and whatever makeup products are in there, I get to try it on. So guys, as you can see, it's sealed there. It came in the mail yesterday. See, it's sealed. So I never tried to open it, but I don't know what's inside, but I know it's makeup. Okay. Oh my goodness. So I can't put this on. Whatever this is. I can't put this on because it's like this lotion stuff. So and here. Some beautiful eyeshadow, okay. And then what is this? Guys, I will be needing this because this is the eyeshadow brushes and I actually got eyeshadow. And yeah, so I'm going to show you my eyeshadow. It's really cute, like look at all the fun flowers that I had on, and I want to show you the colors. Look at those colors, so pretty. And I also got like I also got mascara. I'm an eyeliner. I got started with the eyeshadow. So guys, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, let's do this. Guys, I never put makeup on before, so I have some yours. Isn't it really pretty, guys? Like, look. It's so pretty, look. Okay, now, guys, I'm going to put on the eyeliner. Oh no, guys, I don't know how to put on eyeliner. I never put on eyeliner before, so this is like a forest green eyeliner, so I'm really scared. Oh my god, I'm scared. I actually kind of like it. Like, look at it. It's really pretty. Now I can put on the lip gloss. I guess I was a cat here. So guys, I'm gonna put on a little more eyeshadow. Maybe I'm gonna try a little more with the eyeliner. Okay, maybe just a little more eyeshadows. lip gloss. This is how my eye look. I think it's really pretty. And this is the lip gloss. And I actually used 2 colors of the eyeshadow. This one, and I used this one. Maybe a little more with the wing, because guys, like, look at my wings. They're like really ugly. Okay, so the eyeshadow is probably the best part. Try a little more of this and then I'll be done. And guys, hope you like this video. Subscribe, that like button, give us a huge thumbs up. Turn the subscribe button from red to gray. And we'll see you guys next time. And hit the notification bell, just letting you know.